Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Monday, the last Monday of September 2025. Hope this finds you well. It's another beautiful day here in Chicago. I was gone all weekend in Traverse City, Michigan. You probably read that. And I was up there mainly for a wedding. I want to talk about that in just a second. And then when I was up there, they were concluding Up North Pride in Traverse City. And the weather, I have to tell you, was stunning. It was one of the best weather weekends I remember in a long time in northern Michigan, but it was gorgeous. I stayed, and I have to give a shout out to the Vic by Casa. That's the name of the hotel I stayed at. It's only been open since July of this year. Great place to stay, very secure. You had a code to get in the door, a code to get into your room. And I thought the bed was one of the most comfortable beds I've slept in a hotel. So if you go up, and it wasn't that pricey at all. So I stayed very close to downtown. But Friday, I was with my family, and it was so great because there was like 8 of us, I believe, 8 or 9 of us that gathered Friday. And I have this right now, I gotta look at Pepinero, which is in the old state hospital. They renovated all of this, and it was just a beautiful restaurant. Had a great meal. Went out afterwards. We went to my old stomping ground, gay bar called Sidetrack, and another bar. Had a really good time. Saturday, hung out in Traverse City. Some of the ladies I was with in our group went to get their hair and stuff done, and they were doing hair and nails and all sorts of stuff. And the fellas, so Jake and Jason and I were downtown roaming around and stuff, and it was Pride, their little Pride rally that went through downtown. Saw a couple of friends I haven't seen in a very long time. Took some video. So that video you're going to see at the very end. I want to make sure I celebrated the Pride festivities, and I loved it. I thought they did a great job. There was a little Pride gathering, I'm going to say little, but down by the waterfront in the open space. I wasn't able to go because as soon as that was done, I had to go back to the hotel to get ready for the wedding that I went to. So Ashley and Matthew got married out on the peninsula. It was gorgeous. I was with my family, my chosen family, and it was beautiful. Here's some pictures. Here's a picture of Valerie and I. It's my favorite one of all the pictures. And then here's a couple of more. This is Lena, and then a couple other photos. So yeah, it was just a beautiful venue. I was so happy to be with everybody. Another late night out, and then I had to leave on Sunday to come home. And honey, you know, when you have like a great time, the drive home is a little grueling, but I stopped along the way and things like that. The other shout out and recommendation I got to give you, if you go up to Traverse City, Michigan, I am a bagel guy. Don't have them very often, but I love them. There is a bagel place in Traverse City called either Bubby's or Boobies. I think it's Bubby's, not Boobies. But Bubby's Bagels, one of the best bagels I've ever had. And I went back to get bagels for all of us on Sunday, and there was a line out the door about maybe a half hour, 45 minutes. I can't do it. So I would like to go up there again just for that damn bagel. It was so good. So if you get in Traverse City, go. Great small place, just a little bit, I guess it'd be east of town a little bit, but just near downtown, but great time. So planning LGBTQ+ History Month. I got some gigs. I got contracts to sign today. I have my exercise I got to get out. I have some letters to mail. Yes, you know, we still send letters once in a while. And a few other things. But I've been working hard this morning, and I knew I had to come on here and do a vlog and say hello to everybody. So that's all. I'm on speed dial today. I hope you have a good one. Got some planning to do. You know, LGBTQ+ History Month begins on Wednesday, and I'm coming in hot. So remember, yes, we are still celebrating LGBTQ+ History Month and the lives of all of us. We got to rise up, have hope, resilience, be proud. I know there's some challenging times that we're experiencing, but we need to band together. Check on your neighbor to the left, neighbor to the right, neighbor across the street, but mainly check on yourselves and give yourselves a lot of love. Subscribe, like, and share, Enjoy Traverse City Up North Pride, the video that I took, and I will see you on Thursday. I'm actually home for a while. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the video.